Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce the image size using this website, a really cool free website that you can use to reduce the size of any PNG file to half or more than half. All you have to do is go to Google Chrome and then type tiny PNG and click search. And go to this website. It's a really cool free website you can use. Click on drop your image and choose the image that you want to reduce the size of it. As you can see, the size is 1 megabyte, and just click on it and open and scroll down. As you can see, it's right now optimizing. It's gonna take just a minute. As you can see, now it's optimized. You can click here to download it and set the place you want to save the file. I'm gonna change the name of it, resized, okay, and click save. As you can see, this is the image that this is the original image, and this is the resized image. What are you gonna do is just open this one to compare the quality of each image. I will set it in a new window, and also I will open this one in a new tab so we can compare the resolution and the quality of the image. As you can see, it's not losing the quality. I guess it's the same, but it reduces the size of the image. If we go here and we see the size, let's go for the properties. As you can see, 1 megabyte. And if we come to the new optimized picture, it's gonna be only 200 kilobytes. As you can see, it's a huge difference with the same quality. Yeah, that's it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more tutorials just like this. See you next time.